Hey everyone! So I just thought that I would give you an updated makeup tutorial and మీరేమైనా లోపల జుట్టు కడుక్కొని ఒక వారం అవుతుంది అనుకుంటా, but it's normal because we're in lockdown. So let's not waste any time and get right into it. Okay, so first thing I'm going to start with is Witch Hazel toner. Well, అది అనుకుంటా dry skin ఉంటే witch hazel no, if you have oily skin you use witch hazel, and dry skin ఉంటే rose water. కానీ నా దగ్గర ఉన్నది witch hazel ఒకటే, so yeah, you're just gonna soak up your pad, your cotton thingy. I pat it in, but I don't know if you're supposed to pat it or rub it in. కంటి మీద పెట్టద్దు అనుకుంటా, కానీ పర్వాలేదు నేను పెడతా, నాకేం లేదు భయం. 7 minutes లోపల చేయడానికి ట్రై చేస్తా. Now I'm just gonna take my ordinary caffeine serum for under eye. అయ్యా ఎవరో వచ్చారు అనుకున్నా. I have a mirror under me. Don't be shy, put them more. Okay, అది అయిపోయాక I'm gonna take my age reform, I don't know, something by Murad, ఎందుకంటే నా వేరే లోషన్ కాలేజ్లో మర్చిపోయా. So how's your quarantine going, guys? Comments లో పెట్టండి. Oh yeah, already ఒక makeup tutorial చేశాను అనుకుంటూ, but this is an updated one. I don't know, like a quarantine one, because ఇంట్లో కూర్చొని తిని నా స్కిన్ నాశనం అయిపోయింది, ఏం చేయలేను. After that I'm gonna take some primer thing. నాకు ఇంట్లో ఏం దొరుకుతుంది వాడుతున్నాను ఆ ప్రైమర్. All my like good makeup is I came with not too much of it. Okay. Next I'm gonna go in with my foundation. Concealer వాడను, direct foundation వాడేస్తా, ఎందుకంటే I want my skin to be like even tone. Oh, the shade is, I don't know if you can see it, medium tan from Milk. మీరందరూ ఎప్పుడు అడుగుతారు, but like I think it's a pretty simple makeup that I do. It doesn't take that much time, unless పాట లేకపోతే సినిమా పెట్టుకొని కూర్చుంటా, then it takes time. I don't know if you can hear that weird screaming noise downstairs. I think that's my brother. I also like put it on top too. Oh yeah, the beauty blender already tarpkunna. I already did the whole wet thingy on it. And then I think I'm gonna do my eyebrows now. Full fast గా చేయడానికి ట్రై చేద్దాం. I don't know, it doesn't really, it's not even taking that long right now. ఏం డిస్ట్రాక్షన్స్ లేకపోతే ఇలానే తొందరగా అవుతుంది అనుకుంటా. ఇది ఏమో మా అమ్మ దగ్గర ఉన్న ఐబ్రో పెన్సిల్ దొబ్బేసా. ఫన్ ఫ్యాక్ట్, ఐబ్రోస్ ఎప్పుడు చేయించుకోలేదు నేను. What can I say? And now for the crucial part, the main part kind of, the eyeliner. Padledu. Okay, should I like show y'all how I do it, or I don't know, that's a little hard on. పాడైపోతుంది నేను చేస్తాను. and then I just fill it in. ఇక్కడ కింద అద్దం ఉంది, మీరు ఏమైనా అనుకుంటున్నారేమో. I messed up. And then you're gonna do the same thing on the other side. Oh wow, it's super thick today. Nachaledu. It always happens like this. I'll be back after I fix it. Okay, I kind of fixed it. Baddakam esindi and eyeliner just chala rojalendi, but now I'm gonna curl my eyelashes. My eyelashes now. Difference kanipistundi. And now I'm just gonna use, I think this is L'Oreal Voluminous Million Lashes. I'm also gonna put it on the bottom because I feel like it. Kinda sunundalu marta kajal gurinchi maatladutunnaru. Oh yeah, today we made samosas. And dokla కానీ నాకు డోక్లా అంటే ఇష్టం ఉండదు, సో తినలేదు. Okay. Yeah, పైన అంటూ ఏం లేదులే అంతా. Okay, now for my favorite thing, I'm gonna use blush. And I'm just using my e.l.f. palette because I don't have like another one. And I usually just take the darkest shade on there. Maria Kuperte beauty blender తీసుకొని you could just pat it back off like with the beauty blender, so it's not gonna, doesn't really mess up. I always put it on my nose. I don't know. I like blush a lot. Yeah, I have like a few breakouts right now. And today, I think I'm gonna put eyeliner on, but like I do it weird, right? I also want to do it on the bottom. I don't do it all the way in. I don't know how to explain it. Just like that. And that's honestly, oh, I forgot my lip gloss. I'm using some, I don't know, some lip gloss Pillow Plump. It does burn a little bit. I don't remember where I bought it. It opened. And that's pretty much the final product. Yeah, please like and subscribe, and pratisari same dialogue korta that I'm gonna upload more. But this time maybe I will because it's quarantine and I'm bored. Maybe juttu kadukkuntaremo. I'll do something with my hair tomorrow if you guys want that. You can leave it in the comments. And if you have any questions, I will be replying to questions in the comments because I have a lot of time and I'm bored. I have an exam this week. Kani exams pattichukoni avasharam ledhu inka because we have a pandemic. Also, please be safe and wash your hands every time you go out and all the good stuff. Catch you later.